Magandang umaga, magandang hapon at magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ito po inyong lingkod, si Joe Makina. And today, on our repair series, we'll now be repairing this ANK AK74U, I think, because of the folding stock, from Sir Kurt Balasok. Thanks to him for the repair. Based from his story, this unit still fires. There's a battery. Let's try. Fires. But the gels doesn't go up. Since you cannot test this one, I don't want to load gels and try firing. There's another way of trying it. So first we remove the top part. This is the prime terminals. And let's try. You can feel the motor. So the manual prime is working. Now, to test, you need to remove the battery, the screw here. So you can remove the grip. You can see the motor. Then you can just put it inside, remove the motor terminals, then try firing. It's not priming. Nothing. But this works. It means there's something wrong with the connection here going to the prime. To check this one, I need to disassemble, remove these screws, these screws, this, yes, so we can push the handguard up and slide the motor up so we can access the version 3 gearbox. And I'll be doing that off screen. Be right back. Okay, I've now disassembled the unit. It's a little bit greasy, so I did a little bit touch up. And one of the things I've noticed is that the rubber has already come loose. So this causes air leaks. So you need to put glue all around. Mighty band. Just few drops. Spin, spin, spin. Oops! Careless. Then hold, press, then press a little bit, so the excess glue will be evenly distributed. It smells like okay, that's good. So this one is okay. So now we will be doing the inspection. Usually when the priming while the motor is disconnected is not working is because of the, where is you? Oh, there. Diode. So the diode's still there and doesn't look burned, but ooh, look at here. Zoom. It is detached. Usual QA. There was a cold solder joint, so this got disconnected. Okay, let's solder this one. Hot, 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 hot. Don't do this. Just need something to push it down. Where are my tweezers? When you need them, they disappear. Let's put some more. And oh, I can use this. Make sure there that the not prime, the diode is properly soldered. Let's zoom in. That's good. Now, let's get the battery. There, battery, come here. And the magazine for the testing. Just put it on safe. Make sure that the motor is properly aligned. Then let's try the prime first. The button works. Make sure the motor is disconnected. Firing. Ah. Okay. Can you hear it? It works. Now I'm going to reassemble this one and try it. Be right back. Okay. So after assembling everything and priming, it works. Then let's do some firing. It works again. Simple, but it works. Although I still have to fix this one because since the post here is now gone, if you prime it, it hits nothing, so no prime. So I still have to fix that. Anywho, this is more or less fixed and can be used now in a game. Hope you learned something from this one. If you have any comments, suggestions, violent reactions, do not hesitate to put it down in the comment section down below and I'll answer it as soon as possible. Hanggang sa muli, paalam! Ching!